February 2020, new features. You can now edit custom fields in bulk. Select the tasks you want to adjust, the custom field you want to change, and the new value, and have it automatically applied to all tasks. Also new on the multitask toolbar is the ability to not send notifications. Now you can assign and change large number of tasks without exploding people's notifications. Docs and task descriptions can now also have mentions, great for making it clear which part each person is responsible for and making sure they get a notification. When mentioning tasks, you can now hover over the link and see extra detail about the task and even make changes right from where you are. The trash bin also got some updates. Accidentally deleted tags can now be restored, and you no longer have to go and find an admin. Members can also now restore things that they themselves deleted. The CSV import can now import start dates in addition to the due dates that was previously possible. So you can now import full scheduling information. Gantt View's also got a great cleanup. The location filter can now be used to choose which locations you'd like to see. If you're looking from a high level, you can now see just a couple of locations without all the others cluttering your view. Public sharing. You can now share a list or board view of any space, folder, or list, or just an individual task. This will create a link that can be shared outside of ClickUp and automatically updates. Hello Client Visibility. We also now have a direct import from Rike, and finally, you can now record screen and audio directly from any task. Stop messing with glitchy recording plugins and communicate clearly. Videos can be shared via link and will be attached to the task. Alright, that's the main features for this month. As always, feel free to check out the release docs to see other little improvement and quality of life features. See you next month.